Realme P3 Pro launch date in India is February 18th. The phone will be on sale via Flipkart and the Realme website. And this is the first look Realme P3 Pro. The Realme P3 Pro will flaunt a nebula design, incorporating luminous color-changing fiber that absorbs light and then glows in the dark. The three colors the Realme P3 Pro will come in are Nebula Glow, Saturn Brown, and Galaxy Purple. The P3 Pro will be 7.9mm thin and have IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings. It features a dual camera setup housed within a circular glass element. The two cameras, accompanied by a circular LED flash. The main sensor is a 50MP shooter, a 16MP selfie camera. Realme P3 Pro sport a 6.77-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 1B colors, and a peak brightness of 4500 nits. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 SoC. Is also run Android 15 with Realme UI 6.0. The 6000 mAh battery may support 45W wired charging, while the device could offer an IP68/IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.